Next exercise 8.2, question number 4 and 5. Question number 4, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC, BD is a diagonal and E is the midpoint of AD. A line drawn through E parallel to AB intersecting BC at F. Show that F is the midpoint of BC. Okay. E is the midpoint of AD. EF parallel to AB. Okay. ABCD is a trapezium. AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. EF parallel to AB. Definitely EF also parallel to DC. Okay. Given ABCD is a trapezium. AB parallel to DC. EF parallel to AB. Therefore, EF parallel to DC. Then E is the midpoint of AD. Midpoint of AB. To prove F is the midpoint of BC. Proof consider triangle DAB is the midpoint of DA, EF parallel to AB, EG also parallel to AB. Then by converse midpoint theorem, EG, the line EG is parallel to AB, is the midpoint of DA. This line bisects the third side, that means bisects the other side, that means bisects GB, that means GG equal to BG or GB. Consider triangle DAB, E is the midpoint of AD, EG parallel to AB. By converse of midpoint theorem, DG equal to GB. By converse of midpoint theorem. Question number 1. Next, consider triangle BCD. Same thing. G is the midpoint of DB. That means DG equal to BG means what? G is the midpoint of DB. Okay. G is the midpoint of DB. Then GF parallel to DC. G is the midpoint of DB. GF parallel to DC. Okay. By converse midpoint theorem, this line bisect the third side, that means BC, bisect BC. Okay. By converse midpoint theorem. BF equal to FC. That means F is the midpoint of BC. G is the midpoint of DB. GF parallel to DC by converse midpoint theorem. GF, the line GF bisects the side BC. That means F is the midpoint of BC. Next, the fifth question. In a parallelogram ABCD, E and F are the midpoints of sides AB and CD respectively. Show that the line segments AF and EC trisects the diagonal BD. What is the meaning of trisect? Bisect means two equal sides. Trisect means DP equal to PQ equal to QB. We have to prove that DP equal to PQ equal to QB. Okay. Before that, you are already given that E and F are the midpoints of the side AB and DC. Okay. Given E and F are the midpoints of AB and DC. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, show that line. We have to prove DP equal to PQ equal to QB. Trisect means three equal parts. Okay. First, proof E is the midpoint of AB, F is the midpoint of DC. Here ABCD is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, that means AB equal to DC. AB equal to DC, opposite sides of a opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Okay. Half AB equal to half DC. Okay. Half AB means what? AE. AE equal to half DC means what? FC. DF equal to FC, then here we can write it FC also, because half AB equal to half DC. Half AB means what? AE. Half DC equal to FC. Here AB parallel to DC, same way AE parallel to FC also. AB parallel to DC, because ABCD is a parallelogram. Next, AE parallel to FC. Here consider triangle ABP. Consider triangle ABP is the midpoint of AB, then EQ parallel to AP, because AE parallel to FC, then this is a parallelogram EQ parallel to AP. Here by converse of midpoint theorem, this line EQ bisects BP, that means PQ equal to QB. Okay. by converse of midpoint theorem. E is the midpoint of AB, EQ parallel to AP, then EQ, the line EQ bisects the side BP, that means BQ equal to PQ. That means Q is the midpoint of BP. Okay. Next one, triangle CDQ. Consider triangle CDQ. Consider triangle CDQ. F is the midpoint of DC. PF parallel to QC. By converse of midpoint theorem, this line PF bisects the side DQ. That means DP equal to PQ. Converse of midpoint theorem, dP equal to P. Here F is the midpoint of DC, then FP parallel to CQ. By converse of midpoint theorem, the line FB bisects the side DQ, that means DP equal to PQ, DP equal to PQ. From 1 and 2, we can write it PQ equal to BQ, PQ equal to DP. That means PQ equal to BQ equal to TP. From 1 and 2, PQ equal to BQ equal to DP. Then the line segment AF and EC trisects the diagonal BD. That means DP equal to or PD equal to PQ equal to QB.